On the iPad, I'm going to be looking at a level 10 example. I'm just going to rotate my shape to make my parallel lines horizontal. You don't need to do that. I'm also going to stretch my shape a little bit, just to make it easier to work on. I'm using the iPad. I'm going to click on the text boxes to fill in all my angles. This is the easiest way. Instead of trying to fill them in up here, instead of going into the various angles on the side, it's a lot easier just to fill them in using your text boxes. I click on the T. This one right here is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. I'm not bothering writing the degree symbols. Eventually, I'll just double click the degree symbol and it'll fill in all the degrees. It's 90, that's 90. This is going to be 90 as well. This one is also 90. This one is supplemental to that one up here. This is 90. It's also in a C pattern with this one. If this is 90, these two have to add up to 180, so this is also 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. This is also alternate interior to that 90. This is going to be vertically opposite to that 90. That's 90. This is going to be 90, and this is going to be 90. 90 plus 51 is 141. What do you have to add to 140? To get to 180 is 40, but it's 141, so it's one less than 40 is going to be 39 degrees. That makes this point right here 141 degrees. It's the supplement of 39, which we already knew to figure out the 39. That's going to be 141. Put my 39 right here. I'm having a hard time clicking into here because it's thinking I'm clicking on these angles over here, so I just kind of clicked off and dragged it over. 39. That makes this corresponding to this angle. This is going to be 39 as well. 39. Vertically opposite. 39. That's going to be 141. 141. Let's just move that up a little bit. It's green is saying it's not sure what angle we're pointing at, so I dragged it until it draws a little line to that vertex. So this is vertically opposite to my 51, so that's 51. The supplement to 51, what do you have to add to 51 to get to 180? So it was 50, this would be 130. This is 51, one more than 50. So it's going to be one less than 130, which is 129. 129. This angle is going to be 129. That's all my angles. Double click on the degree symbol to fill in all the degrees. These are all of our angles. I just want to take a quick look to make sure I don't have any typos, then click enter. Okay, this one's nice. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. It's a little bit easier to work with when it's large. I just drag it away from that little plus sign in the center. Maybe rotate it a bit, translate it up a little bit. That's 65. This is an isosceles triangle. That means that this side is identical to this side. They're congruent. They're the same length. Whenever that happens, it means that these two angles have to be the same. Whenever the two sides are congruent, the two opposite angles are also congruent. The opposite angles, the angle opposite that side and opposite this side, they're both going to be 65. So this angle right here is going to be 65 degrees. Vertically opposite, 65. 65 and 65 is 130. That makes this angle 50 to make 180. If that's 50, vertically opposite is going to be 50. This is going to be 130 again, and 130. This is supplementary to that 130 up here. This is supplementary to that. That's 130. You could say that this 130 is alternate interior to that 130. Either way, it's 130. And this angle is going to be 130. And this one's going to be 50. And this angle is going to be 50. 65. The supplement of 65 is 115. This is 115 as well. 65, vertically opposite of 65. We've already done the calculation for the supplement, which is 115. 115, 65, 65, 115, and 115. That's all the angles. Double click on the degree symbol and you're done. All right, and that's it for level 10 on the iPad. Have a good day.